Hello, good people. This is Sherry. I'm calling this my Juneteenth collection. It's denim and kente with gold accents. I start out by using white glue to glue strips of fabric to my wood. This is a piece of 1/8 inch birch plywood that I'm using. So I'm adding my strips. I'm using 3 different colors of denim, dark blue, medium blue, and light blue. I also am using kente cloth and another piece of gold cloth. I wanted to add some stenciling, and I cut this stencil out of paper, which so you can use it once when you do it in paper instead of the mylar. So I'm applying the gel to my wood and fabric, and once I pull it off, I'm going to let it dry and then add my foil. My paper tore, so I didn't get a really good image, but I'm just gonna go with it. I laid it outside to dry. Now I'm gonna add my foil. Now this is a new foil that I'm using. The foil that I love is no longer available, so I've been trying to find some different foil that works for me. I'm covering my foil with parchment paper. I decided to try to use my heat press on this instead of an iron or something else. This foil didn't work for me at all. The foil hardly came off, and it's stuck and everything. It was kind of a mess. I picked up a used piece of my Old Faithful to see if that would work any better. It was a little bit better, but I still didn't have the look that I wanted. But, what can you do? I had to just roll with what I had. I didn't have the design that I wanted, but I did have some gold highlights. So I'm just going to go ahead and cut it and make my earrings. I didn't record cutting it on my Glowforge, but I did cut it on my Glowforge. So I'm going to add my ear hooks and go on with life. All right, good people, I'm calling this my Juneteenth collection. Thank you for watching. And if you give me a hype or a like or a comment, I would really appreciate it. This is Sherry saying, as always, be blessed.